Touch Bionics has developed the world's first fully articulating and commercially available bionic hand. It delivers compliant grip, wraparound fingers, thumb rotation, and full hand palmar grip. It brings a new dimension to upper limb prosthetics in terms of flexibility, durability, aesthetic presentation, and functionality for users. The iLim hand delivers a variety of natural grip configurations. It is transforming both the capability and the confidence of users. With 4 independently powered fingers and an articulating powered thumb that is passively moved by the user, no other commercial hand can match its range of motion. Combined with effective cosmesis, these features make the iLim hand a next-generation step. Users new and old adapt and can operate the hand immediately. This benefits both patient and clinician.
Traditional designs have either a single motor or 2 motors powering 3 fixed fingers and 2 passive fingers that just kind of go along for the ride. The individual now can utilize the hand for grabbing different shaped objects and utilize it with more confidence because they can pre-position their thumb, for example, to attain a different type of grip depending on the object that they're looking to pick up or use or manipulate.
That hadn't previously been available, and it limited the patient's ability to do certain things, use toll booths, use a debit machine, punch phone numbers into their cell phone.
The iLim hand is one of the most exciting innovations in the world of upper limb prosthetics. The technology embedded into the iLim hand is exciting and innovative, but the positive and life-changing experiences for end users is paramount. Since late summer of 2007 to mid-2008, there have been 350 users fitted with the iLim hand, from North and South America to Europe and the Far East.
And now the iLim is really my everyday device because it just gives me the great range of capability, if you like, in holding different objects, pieces of paper, whether it's a water bottle. So in everyday life, this is now my everyday prosthetic.
So it just makes it a lot easier. I literally just take the item, put it in the hand, and it will adjust to whatever it is. It's the little things that have added up in the day that allows me to be more productive in my work and a lot less frustrated and allows me to be more independent, and I don't need as much help.
I think with having the iLim and how realistic it looks, and people don't realize that it's an artificial hand, I feel more confident in what I'm doing. You know, if I'm presenting in front of a group or I'm training on something.
Being a student, I need to be able to write notes down, and it's very easy to flip pages with them compared to the hooks. The silicone actually grasps the page a lot better, and you can flip through the pages a lot easier.
It is really like being reborn, you know, but even seeing it, and it's a big learning curve again, because the learning curve for me was learning to walk and learning to use just normal arm, you know, standard fitting limbs, but this is something incredibly special.
I can go to the refrigerator and get a bottle of water, or I've got a big jug in there and I can go in and I can turn the spout and hold a glass underneath it and fill my own glass of water without sending somebody else to do that.
Working with clinical professionals from all over the world, Touch Bionics has set a new benchmark for the level of technology and function that is now available to patients and end users.
Karen's feedback on the iLim hand has been really very impressive. The hand has been very easy to work with, and Karen is very skilled with using the hand in just a short period of time. He's almost mastered all the prehension patterns, has independent thumb function, wrist rotation, and from that standpoint, it's pretty exciting to see someone use this new technology.
With the previous myoelectrics that I've worked with, it wouldn't have really been functional to even think about trying. It would have been more of a setting up for disappointment for the patient in trying to open a can or, you know, use scissors. It wouldn't have been we wouldn't even have tried it. But with these, we're finding out more and more every day what he can do.
Actually, Kieran had no previous experience with a myoelectric hand. His experience with a prosthesis was strictly from a conventional prosthesis. So he had no prior training with a myoelectric, but when fit with the iLim hand, it was almost as if he had been using one all his life.
Training sessions to become an accredited iLim hand practitioner cover every aspect of the detail required to support patients and users. Touch Bionics' one-day practitioner training course addresses the following: patient selection, fitting the iLim hand, cosmesis options, maintenance and aftercare, pricing and warranty. New patients and existing myoelectric users are encouraged to use an accredited iLim hand practitioner to support their needs both before and after fitting the iLim hand. Many practitioners from all over the world have been trained in iLim hand technology. Their details can be found online at touchbionics.com. The iLim hand represents the very latest in upper limb prosthetic technology. It was designed to integrate with the established knowledge of prosthetic practitioners and clinicians alike. Socket design and prosthesis creation are the same as with any previous generation of myoelectric terminal device.
It's been a proven technology for many years, but it's also very physiologically natural.
A clinician needs to make sure and certain that the amputee has two good muscle sites.
With myoelectric control, you're asking the muscles to do the work that are inside that prosthesis, typically, not always. But the physiological responses, such as improved tone, improved circulation, etc., those are things that are a great benefit to the user, especially someone who's had a traumatic accident that needs all the exercise they can get to get healthy.
Socket design, of course, is paramount in the success of this limb.
I think it's truly the core of the system. We've often heard that if it's not comfortable, they're not going to wear it, but it's much more important than that as well. It not only has to be comfortable, it has to transmit load and energy.
Touch Bionics iLim hand is a next-generation device. Here's how it works.
So what's unique about the hand is that we have a motor in each of the individual digits and in the thumb, so which means each digit is individually driven. They have an articulation point here and a second articulation point here.
Each of the digits are tested with power profile, so they're measured for performance and how much power in each digit and how long it takes to move those digits. So there's a quality assurance process that ensures that the digits are performing to function.
So it's not only advanced in the way all the digits are powered, it has also got an articulated thumb where one can vary the position of the thumb movement. So in both those respects, it has been a major step forward.
A small yet powerful motor is contained within each finger, together with one motor in the thumb of the iLim hand. The hand itself is made from a long fiber plastic, which is both robust and lightweight. The fingers articulate and present a full wraparound grip for uneven-shaped objects. The thumb rotates through 110 degrees, which enables the many grip postures that are necessary to achieve a higher level of function. Individual stall detection within each finger enables the digits to be placed into further functional configurations. As a result of the individual finger articulation and thumb rotation, Touch Bionics has created new cosmesis solutions to provide a combination of function and aesthetic choice to users. Touch Bionics has achieved major breakthroughs in the aesthetic appearance of its prosthetic products. Touch Bionics' development team has created a choice of 3 innovative cosmesis coverings, each setting new industry benchmarks and meeting specific usage objectives: iLim Skin, High Definition, and Custom Painted. Patients who love the high-tech appearance of the uncovered iLim hand use the iLim Skin. It is a thin layer of high-flex material to fit every contour of the hand. iLim Skin allows free movement of the fingers and rotating thumb. It protects the hand from moisture and dust and provides a highly effective grip surface, available in a choice of 6 unique colors. Developed from a custom-blended silicone, the high-definition cosmesis glove moves with the iLim hand, combining advanced function and aesthetic accuracy. The glove is offered in a choice of 10 skin shades with defining highlights and color-defined fingernails, giving it a highly natural appearance. Touch Bionics' custom cosmesis partners have gone through in-house research and development to produce custom-painted, tailored gloves that combine great aesthetic with great function. These highly skilled and Touch Bionics endorsed organizations exist in major centers around the world.
One of the things that patients have said to us on many occasions is that it's nice to wear a hand that people actually want to shake. They want to actually interact with it, so it makes a big difference to their lives on that level.
The iLim hand is currently covered by a variety of insurance plans and government programs worldwide.
The hand has been adopted very quickly in a number of countries, by their National Health Service systems, including the UK, where we've actually sold some hands into the NHS, which is nice because they're a spin out from them. And also around the world, insurance companies have started to recognise very quickly that the benefits of the hand outweigh the costs of it.
We went and we put the paperwork in, and surprising as it may be, Workman's Comp said, yeah, go ahead.
iLim hand users are now able to perform a significantly higher number of activities of daily living. This brings functional benefits and confidence in performing new and different tasks.
These guys have done an incredible job with the programming the control mechanism to respond to the myo-electrodes. It feels a very natural motion. And you can imagine having no hand to be able to sit there and literally move a muscle, see the hand open, move a muscle, see the hand close. It's just a great feeling.
I really think it's a great time to be an amputee. Even for me, I'm just really thankful that I can be an amputee now, because technology now can actually allow people to do the things they wanted to do.
You know, I'm not feeling that people are looking at my hand. They're just looking at me as a person and hearing what I have to say and learning what I have to deliver, rather than getting caught up in, oh, did you notice he only has one hand?
I can reach out now and extend my hand. I can walk up to somebody and extend my hand to shake hands with them.
It's a lot easier to eat with them. You're not worried about crushing food and stuff like that with the hooks, and it's a lot less tiring to use them.
Never in my wildest dreams would I be thinking I'd be sitting here with Rebecca and you lot just trying this amazing bit of technology.
No wonder Touch Bionics is the fastest growing upper limb product company in the world. In the iLim hand, we consider that we have the most advanced upper limb product available for users and their clinical professionals. Our accredited iLim hand practitioners and distribution partners around the globe have established a reputation for amazing product and clinical support. If you wish to become an accredited practitioner, distribution partner, or would like to find out how you can purchase an iLim hand, please visit us at touchbionics.com. Our sincere thanks to the extraordinary people that have already become iLim hand users, the clinical and commercial professionals that we have already engaged with, and the amazing Touch Bionics team.